go.
Preview cracker. This is how you do a volcano. First, you dig up a hole. You already give it off the last video we do with a do it again for you can remember.
Are we doing a volcano or what are we doing?
The volcano thing.
Okay, so what do we need it there for?
For make the body of the volcano, or you can put color on volcano.
Bring the bucket. Bring the bucket and I'll start with this.
First, we need to put the bucket, the dirt in the bucket.
How much dirt should we put?
We need to put.
Here, let me help you. Can you grab the phone?
Hey guys, this is how you do it. We have to do step and step in the volcano. It's so sunny, so we need to do it. So I'm gonna cry in a hospital.
Alright, first what do we gotta do?
First we need to put half of dirt in
the bucket?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that first.
And then my dad said hello.
Hey guys. Hello.
So my dad is recording and I'm recording, so you need to do half record or you can do it. My dad is down, so we can do this.
Do we have enough or more?
I think we need more to sing.
Is that a squirrel over there?
What's there?
It's like that was a squirrel over there. Squirrel.
So this is a tree. This is the sun. And writing. So you can see that. That's the sun, a beautiful sun.
Okay, then we have enough. That's enough, right?
So we have enough.
Alright.
We need to carry it in the house.
Alright, let's go inside. Open the door.
So I did my name here. Then my back. Everyone. First we're gonna break it. Break all the dirt. And then we break all of it. We're gonna put the big jar.
In the middle?
And we're gonna put a space for
there you go.
the jar. And then we're gonna fill it up.
Like a volcano or what?
Like a volcano.
Wait, what are we even doing right now?
We're getting the dirt with her. It's not working.
Not working?
No.
Alright, let me help you.
We're back with Noel. We'll do the dirt. The dirt, the jar, and then 1 cup of water. So 1 cup of water.
Okay. Is it 1 cup or half a cup?
Half a cup.
Half a cup, okay. Half a cup of water. Great. Alright, what's next?
Half a cup of baking soda.
Okay.
So let's put half a cup.
Bring the measuring
Right
cups.
here.
Bring the measuring cups.
So here's the measuring cup. The measuring cup.
And what are we using right here? What's this in the middle?
Huh?
What's this in the middle? Right here. What's this?
Dirt.
No, right here.
Grass.
What is it though? Is it a glass cup or what is it?
In a jar.
It's a jar. There you go. Yeah, a jar.
So half a cup of this. Half a cup of baking soda.
Look for the half a cup. Yeah, that's a half a cup right there. Tap it.
Thank you for that.
Oh, you used it all. Oh, you did use it. We gotta buy some more. Okay, that's enough. That's fine though. All right.
Half a cup of baking soda. put your head down here. It's a hard bath. So look. You put baking soda in there. Look.
Okay.
It will be the steam. So don't drink the steam. This will be the vinegar.
The last stuff? Alright, what's next in your list?
See. Put the bacon.
How many, what is it again?
6 teaspoons in here.
Soap. Okay.
So, and this is called
Food coloring.
food coloring. So,
How many drops is it?
3 cups of food coloring.
That small one is fine.
What is one?
Yeah, that one's fine.
This 1 cup.
That's fine. Read it, what it says.
This.
Look, it says right here. Half a teaspoon. What is it?
Half a teaspoon. 3 halves. 3 halves.
What is this for though?
That for the color for the fire.
For the fire?
So 3 teaspoons. Then the last one.
Okay, close it.
Now,
And what do you do next?
now put a little bit more.
Alright, good job. And
Just look how it makes. See,
oh, it looks kind of nasty.
look. You see the yellow?
Mm-hmm.
That is the color mix. So do you see all this yellow? That's bacteria. So don't drink it.
So what are we doing now? What's this called?
Vinegar.
No, what's this whole thing called? This experiment?
A volcano.
Volcano, is it math, reading, science?
Science.
Oh, it's science? Okay. And if you touch real lava, what happens?
You're burning yourself.
Yeah, you burn yourself.
This is
Don't
fake
touch lava. Yeah, this is fake lava. This is an experiment.
Don't cock. Just colors.
Okay, that's fine.
And what about this? This will be the drops.
There's more fire to it.
That will be a fire. It's coming out.
All right, what's the last step? The very last step that makes all this come together?
Vinegar.
Vinegar, okay.
With the pig.
All right, here.
That's it.
Here. Throw that away. We use all that up. And how much is in your list? What does it say? The last thing. What does it say?
Half a cup.
Half a cup. There you go.
Half a
That's
cup.
it for half a cup. There you go. That's half a cup right there. Slowly, okay? Slowly, slowly, slowly. All right, that's enough. Thank you. Oh, we spilled some. It's okay. We gotta go get it with one hand. There you go. Let's do it together. This one. There you go.
And then voila, the lava. So these are the ingredients. It burns a little bit.
Does it smell bad because of the vinegar?
It smells a little bad, but it's not bad.
Okay. Oh, look at the lava. Let it go by itself. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, look at that lava. It's coming out.
All right, let it see. Let's see if it goes up. Leave it. Ew, that's so nasty. Ew, it smells so bad.
No. It's a volcano.
Is it a volcano? God, that is so disgusting.
Then just put it on my hand
Ew.
and look.
Okay, go wash your hands now.
No.
So this is all volcano with Noel and his dad. Many more experiments to come. This little boy likes to do experiments and just explore the world